So, guys, welcome back to the channel, Cat Comrade. And without wasting any time, I was a bit stressed out last week, so I have not uploaded any video since then. So, today's video is focused on how to add plot style in AutoCAD. So, when you are done, done with a drawing, then you have to share it to your colleague, or you have to share it to your client in a uh, PDF file. Okay, so let's say you want to customize your own plot styles and you don't want to waste time. You don't want to waste every time doing the same thing, correct? So today I'm going to teach you the best shortcut for that. Just press Ctrl P, and this dialog box of batch plot will appear. Continue with the third option of continue to plot a single sheet. Then this kind of a dialogues box will appear. So what you have to do for the first time is that for the first time you have to select everything. Let's say a high quality print. Let's say I generally send my clients all the file in the expand A2. This will be window, as because let's say you want to share this file. Okay, just so this fit to paper, center the plot. This is going to fit to paper. Okay, plot style, pure assignment, plot transparency. So okay, so basically you have to set all the points that are right over here. You can see on my mouse pointer, and then you now need to add this plot style. Let's say for clients, and press OK. So every time when you open this plot window, this option of clients will always pop up, and without wasting any time, you can just select the plot of client and your sheet will be ready. Just you have to do is go to this window and select the drawing that you want to plot, and that's it. You are good to go, and this is the best time saver that I have learned in the past years. So this is it. Thank you for watching. If you found the video useful, then share it with someone who may need it.